permitted?
Sir, double six
Six-
is
644, sir.
6644 permitted. Rohit permitted.
okay. Sir.
Deepak, where is Deepak?
Sir, I logged in from my mobile, sir.
Okay, God check. That is left to you. From my side, you are there. 6233 also permitted this time. If you want, you can do recording. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. So don't waste my time because I am taking one more class afternoon 2 o'clock. Can you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. The message.
I want to finish this topic now. See, so what will happen, Amma? Here, if you take this, it is called sun. Sun, where it will get rise, Amma?
East, sir.
East, sir.
This is sunrise. So if you take sunrise, this as a first quadrant, this as a second quadrant, this as a third quadrant, this as a fourth quadrant. Ledu, some crooked fellows are there. Ledamma, I will take sun as rise,
West, sir.
set, sunset. Then you went means I taken sun as a referendum. If you take sun as a rise, second, third, fourth. But when we are talking with respect to sunset, it is first, second, third, fourth. Same sequential order we are following. Understand? If anyone asked in your Viva OC, this is a very silly question. Yes, can we change quadrant? Yes, sir. We can change it according to position of the observer. What to say? Yes, sir. We can change. He will ask, this is a first, second, fourth. Yes, sir. In general contest, always we will take this as a first quadrant. But in specific conditions, we can change the position. So what is the position? I taken referendum. This is the sunset. This is called sun. I are observer. What we will write? Put arrow mark. Now put arrow mark. You say position of observer is whether it may be you take as a reference as sun, whether you are I, you are, then you feel yourself as an observer. Then this arrow mark should be must. If this will be the arrow mark, this is the first, second, third, fourth. If I will take observer here, then this is correct. Getting my point? Why? Why in general contest people taught you that this is always first quadrant? Why people will tell them iదే first quadrant ಇದು ಲೇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? Why people taught like that? Can anyone tell me? Again, go back. Here, everything is positive, Amma. Everything is good. Sunrise, we always take as a good. Sunset, sunset, sunset. We will try to go back to rest. Understand this scenario. So that's why in that contest, so first quadrant people taught, but don't tell that only fixed the destination. No, based upon that. Agree? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I want to tell each and I will give justification. I am not asking you to note down. I told that I won't do any spoon feeding work. That is day one onwards, my rules are fixed. I won't change. You are not small kids. Now, this is first quadrant. Now you see how cleverly I will write. I will take this as a referendum. Initially, what I told, it will VPHP, 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 VPHP. All are orthographically placed. Okay. This point is, can I write above HP? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Above, how much is not a matter. Can I write this point in front of VP?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Yeah? It is in
Yes.
front of VP. VP means vertical plane. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
No one asked, why you kept this point here? No, I want to keep point here. In nature, I can keep anywhere. You are getting my point. Now, with respect to this point, what is this point, Amma? What can I write here?
Above HP.
Above HP. Okay. For this,
Behind the EPs.
behind VP. See, point position I changed, but observer I not changed. Observer is fixed. This is the clever game of this drawing. Observer is fixed. So with respect to this is behind VP, but it is above HP. That is a requirement of second quadrant. This is a requirement of first quadrant. Okay. I will keep one more point here. Every time I'm changing position, what can I write here?
Below HPs.
Below HP. This is
Behind.
VP.
this is behind VP. Very good.
Yes, sir.
I will keep one point here.
Below HP.
Below HP.
In
And
front
in
of.
front of VP.
In front of VP. Now you see cleverness of the one line I added. This statement. This point is above HP in front of VP. This point is above HP but behind VP. This point is below HP behind VP. And this point is in front of VP below HP. All quadrants how I want with a different destination I mark. Means I have to fix idu quadrant. E figure important. E figure nidram degarano raval. In sleeping mode also, if I ask, first quadrant requirement above HP in front of VP. Second quadrant requirement above HP behind VP. Third below HP behind VP. Fourth in front of VP. If you have any doubts in one of the corner, you simply make this VP HP. VP HP HP. This one line kotal. Line ante fixed. This above HP in front of VP. Above HP. Behind VP, below HP, behind VP, in front of VP, below HP. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Finish, rough figure within fraction of second. This, note down this figure. This figure is important. Based on this figure only, whole units are depends. Make it fast. I will take attendance for a while. Note down. When I will come afternoon, definitely I will solve so many problems. Be careful. If you finished, please tell me, because I want to touch up to line. Already question paper prepared, I told, and it is given up to line. My target is up to this Saturday, I want to reach my destination. I am target oriented person. I won't hesitate. I will curb anyone's class. You may not know that today I taken LAC class. Half an hour also. Come with mental preparation. Finish it up. Because within
sir.
5
Sir,
minutes
it's
I
not
have
clear.
one more
Can you zoom,
section.
sir?
They are eagerly waiting. Otherwise, they will simply start joining this class. Because I have to wind up this session and I will permit them in news. or
Repeated, sir.
figure neatly draw చేయాలి or finished amma. Okay, listen. So what I told in this problem, first quadrant requirement above HP and in front of VP. Second quadrant requirement above HP, behind VP. Idu fixed rule. Third quadrant below HP and behind VP. Fourth quadrant below HP, in front of VP. It does not change under any circumstance. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. Noted down. You have to do simultaneously, amma. You
Yes,
have
sir.
idu fixed. Magab chestavo, memorize chestavo, idu just like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube formula. How these are the formulas? At any time, any moment, I may ask anything. You should be in a position to define it exactly. Right? Okay. But my question is that before concluding this, your notebook is a quadrant or plane, amma?
Plain, sir.
Plane. Plane means?
Yes.
Plane means?
It's a
Plane
3D
means
object, sir. 3D object.
the object. Only plane always give 2D representation. 3D object is solid. Be careful regarding this. 1D object is line and 0D object is point. E point came dimension. Now we are dealing with point. Point is how many dimensions?
0, sir.
No dimension. Don't tell 0. No dimension. Point does not have. Can you heard about nanoparticles?
Yes, sir.
What is that, amma? What is the difference between that? Why we will call it as nanoparticle? Why you used microscope, amma? Use chesara leda intermediate degara 10th degara ekkado.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can't
Why
see
you
that.
will wear specs,
We
amma?
can't see the objects.
Specs. When we cannot see something, then we need what is that specs, amma? What is that specs function? What
Sure.
is the specs function?
So to
To
fall
see
the
the
image
object,
exactly.
to make our vision clear.
Oh, how?
Sir, its length adjusts, no, sir, according to our.
Don't talk about anything. Give me smart answer. Don't give any elaborate answer.
Maximizing the particle.
Yes, very good. That is a magnification factor, amma. You have camera. In camera, you will do zoom in, zoom out. Some particle you can bring nearest, some particle you can bring far away. Already you did. You will always see everything is getting cover or not when you are taking pic. Understand this, that I will talk when I will meet you at sharp 2 o'clock. Okay, thank you. Bye. Because I have next session. Okay. Bye, amma. And we will meet sharp 2 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.